Hello, my friends, and welcome back to Flow Well. Today, we are going to talk about one of the most powerful spices on earth. It is golden, it is ancient, and it is truly magical for your health. Yes, I am talking about turmeric, a golden treasure from nature. For thousands of years, turmeric has been used in India, China, and the Middle East. It wasn't just a spice, but also a natural medicine. When people saw its bright yellow color, they believed it carried the energy of the sun. What makes turmeric special? The secret ingredient is called curcumin. Think of curcumin as a superhero inside turmeric. It fights inflammation, protects your brain, and even slows down aging. But here is the truth. Turmeric alone doesn't get absorbed easily. That's why people often mix it with black pepper, which boosts absorption by 2000%. Benefits that will surprise you. Let's imagine your body as a busy city. Inflammation is like traffic jams, blocking the roads. Curcumin comes in like a traffic police officer, clearing the roads and bringing balance. Here is some of the amazing benefits. Anti-inflammatory, helps with arthritis and joint pain. Brain booster, may improve memory and protect from Alzheimer. Heart protector, keeps your blood vessels healthy. Anti-aging, reduces oxidative stress, making you feel and look younger. Digestive support, helps with bloating and gut health. How can you use turmeric? It is very simple. Add half a teaspoon to warm milk or tea. This is called golden milk. Mix it in soups, curries, or rice. Blend it with smoothies for a healthy twist. Or take it as a capsule if cooking is not your style. Remember, always combine it with a little black pepper and some healthy fat like olive oil or coconut oil for best results. A word of cautions. Turmeric is powerful, but don't overuse it. Too much can upset your stomach. If you have gallstones, ulcers, or take blood thinning medication, check with your doctor first. Turmeric is not just a spice, it is a gift from nature. It is like having a little piece of sunlight inside your kitchen. Start with small daily amounts, and your body will thank you. So now I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried turmeric tea, golden milk, or turmeric in your food? Write your experience in the comments below. I would love to read your stories. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and share, subscribe to Flowwell for more natural health tips. Till we meet again, thank you.